Let's use voice control on your iPhone. Now your iPhone has the ability to do all different kinds of commands and actions, open apps, all those different kind of things just through a voice control. So to turn that on and use it, let's hop into our settings and we'll scroll down and tap on accessibility. And midway down is voice control. So let's tap on that. Now all you have to do at the top is toggle that on. And it says your voice control allows you to use your voice to control your iOS device. Now you can see at the very top left here is a little microphone, and this does all kinds of really fun and cool different things. I'll give you one example. Open TikTok. You can see just by saying open TikTok, it has switched over and opened the TikTok app. So you can do all different kinds of things. You can add vocabulary, customize demands, change the language from English over to any other language. You can show hints. You can have it be attention aware. You can play sounds, all these different kinds of things so that you can just use your voice to command your iPhone. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.